Seats, I have leather saddlebags that are sun bleached. I put it on the saddlebags and made those black again. So made the saddlebags look new again. Put it on my tailpipes. Pretty much front to back. Buy it. You'll never have to get your bike detailed again. Don't just coat it, top coat it.
Our 2019 CVO came out spit shine spotless. We bought all the product. I got a t-shirt from last year. This year, it's even better. You're back in-house. We bought more product. I get to use the indoor of the house product. My husband already uses and loves the outside F11. But yeah, it's awesome.
I live at the beach and everything's always rusting, and TopCoat is great for like sealing it out, keeping the rust away, keeping all that, you know, in the morning I don't have a garage, so I keep it on the side of the house with a cover, but the dew kind of comes up in the morning, but the salt water, it rusts everything. But with the TopCoat, I mean, I got my buddy next door, his stuff's rusting out, mine's not. So I love the TopCoat. Keeps everything clean, sealed. It's a great product, it really is.